condensed glue gels, I am not gonna afraid to apply whole entire nails, and make sure you blend your condensed glue gel nicely. Again, right here, and then I'm gonna do the thumbs. Like this is how I do for my clients at the salon. I do 2 thumbs because they're not keying at the same time. So I do one first, and I put another one, and I'm gonna apply to all of them, because you never know. I always come up with something, like even after we're done with the clients, like put it on, and then the clients want some more crystals on, or they want something. I just want to make sure I'm ready for it. And if you're not, then it's totally fine, because you cap it with the no white top coat and it looks good anyway. All right, close my cap on, wipe up my brush, and go right into excuse me, no white top coat. Because this no white top coat, as you get to see in the competitions, all that really talented nail artists, they sharing it with the 3 methods of crystal placement: the condensed glue gels, no wipe top coat, and a precision glue. I'm put it on the top right here because okay. I'm gonna do this one right there. Another bar right here. Why? It just drop off like I didn't expecting right there. Oh. If you have that, just don't afraid of to just like take it off and knock it off. I put 3 of them on. I'm so obsessed with a little crystal here. You are more than welcome. You can put the beads on. I have a bead tray right in front of me. So I got to share a lot of different today. It's so awesome to have all of you. But can you tell me how much it would be at the salon if you do this set of nails? I would love to hear from you. Don't afraid of to say something. Okay, here, before that, I'm gonna wipe this off. Vicky, how much you gonna charge at your salon with this set? All right, in the lamp about 60 seconds. I can go on and on with this bar too, but this is give it a good look. $1 million nails, you are absolutely right. Ali, you get $1 million nails.
I feel like $1 million.
It is. All right, so I am going to using a no wipe top coat, which is I apply right now, and goes around, and then on the top. You can do this as a hot pink as well, but I want just a little dainty one, so then it doesn't take away from your flowers. I feel like hello. Do some beads on it. It's okay, I'll leave it there because I'm gonna do something in there anyway. Nice look. You know what, you guys? I love you guys so much. This is my best birthday present for myself this year. Is earlier is one of the staff, Miss Shai, was asking me, you gotta speak out loud the wish and make me do that before I can blow the candle. So I wish that, you know, I have a good health and my family's doing great, business great, so I can get another opportunity, another year to celebrate another birthday and to get share a lot with all of you. So that is my wish. I'll tell you because you already make me tell everyone. So, right, Ali? I don't know. Ali can hear that, but she did. She like, you gotta talk. You gotta show her. Or you gotta. No, she said, you gotta say it loud. If you're watching right now, Miss Shai, that's what your fault. You're making me tell everyone. But anyway, it's a great. It feels so much good. Later after this, I'm gonna just chills and get something to drink with my husband and take the kids, so but it's one part of it in my life. I always wanted to do this and give back to our community for our beauty industry. I really, really wish you all the best, and doesn't matter whatever you do in your business, like really believe in yourself, and if you think of something you want to do it, just do it. Just do it. Don't even think twice. So, oh, I like some of the beads over there. Hey, look at that, Ali. I put some beads randomly. Ha! Look. That's a bonus for you, Ali. Here you go, girl. Like, look good. It will not come off because I'm gonna put precision glue on it. Alright, before I'm keying that, I'm gonna do not use a raw hands because Vicky was gonna yelling at me. You don't want that. Wipe it off. Or if you wear gloves, like I wear glove earlier, I can use that. Alright, in the lamp for about 60 seconds. Oh, how do I get this? So this is the best birthday present for me today. Besides a lot of wishes, thank you so much for your birthday wishes. I have a really phenomenal day, and is one of the really good things to get to share with. Like Ali is one of my new teams member here, and then we got to share with her a lot today. She get to learn a whole entire section with nails today, huh? Like, okay, it was like with the clients it take less time or whatever, because I was under a camera and stuff. But I would like to show her when we got a good talks and interview. I was sharing her with the vision of how it is, and then she got an opportunity to watch me do a lot of clients as well, and she sees how is dedicated and how the clients value the really good works and really passions I put it on the client's nail. So this is a really quick message. Besides, thank you so much for all the birthday wishes, but then it's the best birthday so far for me to get to be here and share with all of you, and it's great. And Ali got to go like seeing her boyfriends later and enjoy. Are you gonna get some drink, Ali?
Yes.
Yeah, girl, you better. Your nails so pretty, so you can't not like go home and go to bed. You gotta go and get some drink with your boyfriend. So here, if the clients are really afraid of to get the catching on their hair, this is gonna be your bestie on your station next to your crystal jars. Precision glue. And right here. Great. If you feel like I would check it and I feel scratchy, I will seal around that and then key it for 60 seconds. Oh, 1 minute and 25 seconds left for Instagram. That's such an awesome live video tonight. I really want to announce the winner for last night. Thank you everyone for tuning in. Don't hesitate to call us if you have questions regarding to products or classes. It's at 206-771-5086. And you can also email us at info@glitzaccessoryandsuch.com or DM us on both Facebook and Instagram. So congratulations, the winner. Everybody did have a great names, and we really like it in the teams. Is really like have to make a decision to pick. Okay, so the winning names is Enchanted Dreams. Did I say Enchanted Dreams? Right? Okay, so Enchanted. And the person is Cosmo Chick. Is that Cosmo Chick? Right? Yeah, Cosmo Chick. If you are watching a live video, congratulations. Vicky said her very happy birthday. Thank you so much, Cosmo Chick. Please DM us your shipping address with your names, your first and last name, so then we can ship you the beautiful Easter mix bag. Give me the other one. Great. Why?
It's 5 seconds. It will kick you out anyway.
Oh, look at that. Let me move it so I can show them. Sorry. Taking our pictures. Hey, Sarah.
Say hi again. Find the shot.